This 28-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set comes with airtight lids to keep food fresh. The first lid even lets you swap in 3 different graters for easy prepping. All the other lids seal tight, perfect for storage too. The non-slip base keeps your bowl steady while you mix. You'll get 5 sizes: 5-quart, 4-quart, 3-quart, 2-quart, and 1.5-quart. Each bowl has inner measurement marks so you can measure ingredients right inside. They all stack together to save space and keep your kitchen organized. Plus, you get a bonus 15-piece silicone utensil set, including measuring spoons and an egg separator.